First thing you're going to do is take the VUWI out and get ready for installation. You're going to take these ribbons off first. Do that, just take a pencil or a small screwdriver, flick these two levers back, and the ribbon will slide right off. Next, you're going to take the bolt off, holding the board in place. Take the power board off. There'll be two washers underneath that board. And there'll be one more nut I'm going to take off. Now the VUWI is ready for installation. You're going to take your template that was emailed to you. You'll see there's two hole sizes, 11/16 for the middle hole and 7/8 for the bottom hole and top. If you're installing it on an older machine, you will drill wherever you have the space for the three holes. It's up to you. Once you drill the three holes, the VUWI will go into the center. USB dongle into the bottom hole. This is what it will look like on the inside of the machine. You will first put the last nut on. You want to make sure that one's on tight, so you'll want to take a pair of pliers and tighten that one up. Next thing you'll do is take the two rubber washers you had. That's the two rubber washers. You're going to take the power board and slip it in there. Now, when you put the last nut on, you want to make sure you don't torque it down. Just hand tighten it to the control board, just so it doesn't wobble around like so. The ribbons are going to go on the same way they came off. You're going to take the back one, going to slide it into position, and take a pencil, or you can go on both sides of it with your fingers. Now the VUWI is installed on the machine. We're going to show you how to connect the machine in the next video. Now that you have the VUWI installed on the machine, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. As you can see, this is a newer machine with a second credit hold slot. So what we did is you drill the bottom two holes and the credit card plate. Make sure you install the plate first and then install the VUWI onto that plate. Alright, we're going to unconnect the main MDB line from the CoinMag validator Y. You're going to take our cable, plug it into the main MDB, plug the Y into the CoinMag validator. And then you'll plug in the VUWI. You'll have the top one, it'll be MDB main, So make sure you're plugging it into the MDB main slot. Alright, once you plug it on, turn on the machine. You will see 4 lights light up on the VUWI. Those will go off. For the first startup, it'll take about 40 seconds. That is the startup sequence. Once you have the 4 blinking lights, you can then go ahead and make purchases with the VUWI. I'll show you what it looks like on an older machine installed. Here you can see it installed on an older machine. It's just drilled right through the front of the machine, and then you'll attach the VUWI the same way we showed in the first steps.